Hey, what's up with you guys, this is Irfan here, and in this video I want to show you exactly how to install Goldie Incubator on your VPS account. So the first thing that I want to mention is the broker you are going to use, guys. It's super important, and you need to choose a broker that first of all allows you to open a trade with a minimum of 0.01, and it only works on ECN and standard accounts. Number two is that you need to find a broker that has a really tight spread on gold. My recommendation personally, because this is something I'm personally using, is Blueberry Markets, and I'm going to leave a link below in the description so you can actually have access to this broker, because they have a really tight spread. So as you can see, the spread is on the screen. Gold is 10. It should be somewhere between 10 to 20 max. It shouldn't be higher than that, but even if it's lower than 10, it's amazing. But 10 is a really good number. If you're using a broker that has like a spread for 30 or 25, it's too high, guys. You need to change your broker. It's a very important one. And the third one is that the leverage that you are going to use should be between 1 to 100 to 1 to 500. So this is like the best margin, the leverage that you can use, and the minimum is 1 to 100. We are using 1 to 500 on all of our accounts, but if you want to use any leverage lower than that, feel free to do that, but it shouldn't be lower than 1 to 100. So these are very important things, guys. Please pay attention to them. ECN or standard accounts, find a broker that has a tight spread on gold, like Blueberry Markets, with a spread of 10, and the link is in the description, and the leverage, which is very important. The next thing, after you are done with your broker or you already have one, is VPS. VPS is another thing that you need to have, because it's a virtual computer that is on 24/7, and you need to install your bot on VPS to be able to analyze the market all the time. Although it's only trading during London session, but you need to have it on a VPS. And this is what we are using because they are really good, they are fast, they are reliable, and you can literally go for the cheapest plan, which is $12.99. Even for this one, I have a link in the description that you can sign up with, and they have different servers in Amsterdam, in New York, in London. You can go for the default if you want just Amsterdam. You can go for solo plan or for pro plan, but I think solo should be enough. You don't have to go for this one. We are using $12.99 one. It's absolutely enough, because we are not doing anything crazy with that. We're just installing the robot and let it run 24/7. So both of the links are available in the description. So let's say, one more thing that is very important is that if you use the link for the broker, which is Blueberry Market, you get your application approved faster, plus you'll be able to get a free VPS. Yes, you heard it right. Blueberry Market will provide a free VPS, and also if you use the link below, your application will get approved faster. So it's your choice. If you already have a broker, you can go for this VPS right here, and you can go for the cheapest plan. So after you got your VPS, guys, they're gonna give you a login credential, IP address, username, password, and then you can log into your VPS account that looks like this. So this is a VPS account. I have my Blueberry Markets MT4 terminal right here, and I have the Goldie Incubator folder, which you can download from your members area. So this is how it looks like, guys. So you can literally go to smartincubator.com and then log into your account by clicking this picture right here, logo right here, icon right here, and then you log in your account, and you'll be able to download the files in the download section. And once you're done with that, just unzip the folder, and then you get this file, which is unzipped, and if you click it, you're gonna be able to see this folder, Goldie Incubator bot, and you need to click it a few times so it opens the main folders, Goldie Incubator installation guide, and you should have MQL4 with 3 folders inside, which is experts, indicators, and presets. So it's very important, guys. So in experts, you have goldieincubator.ex4. In indicators, you have this indicator right here, which is a news filter, and it's a really practical indicator. You need to have it on your MT4. It identifies the news 30 minutes and 30 minutes before and 30 minutes after that, and it stops trading around that time. And also the presets, you get 2 presets by default, low risk and mid risk, and I'm going to talk about it, guys, that how they exactly work and what you need to do. to make them work properly. So these are the folders you're gonna get, guys, and the next thing is to open your MT4 account. Okay, so in this case, I'm gonna show you how to install it on my demo account, which is this one. So when you open it, guys, it's very, very important. The first thing you need to do is to click File and then click Open Data Folder. And then here you can minimize your MT4, open your Goldie Incubator folder and put it beside this one. And then when you open this, go to MQL4, go to Experts, and then you'll see that I have Goldie Incubator right here. So it's same as here. Go to Goldie Incubator, MQL4, Experts, just copy it and paste it right here. I already have it, but I'm going to do it one more time. And then go back, go to Indicators, the same as here. Go to Indicators, copy and paste it right here. And same as preset files, just copy them and paste them right here. Oh, sorry, shouldn't be right here. You gotta go to presets here. You just copy and paste them right here. So that's all you need to do. Experts, indicators, presets, and make sure that all of them are in the right place. Presets should be in presets, experts should be in experts, and indicators should be in indicators. So once you're done with that, close these folders and then go back here and then go to Expert Advisors and then refresh it. It's going to actually pop up Goldie Incubator right here. The same as indicator. Or you can close your account, your MT4, and then go back again. It'll automatically refresh everything, and then you can see Goldie Incubator plus the Goldie Incubator Expert Advisor and the indicator that comes with it. So the next step is to go to Tools, Options, Expert Advisors, and make sure these options are enabled. Very important, otherwise it won't trade properly. You need to have this option enabled, this one, and this one. Once you are done, click OK, and then you see that auto trading turns on, and it's time to install Goldie Incubator. Guys, it's very important, make sure it's on a 5-minute time frame, not 1 hour, not 1 minute, not 50 minutes, only 5-minute time frame. It's very important. So once you're on 5-minute time frame, find a Goldie Incubator and Expert Advisors, drag it and drop it here, go to Common, and make sure these options are enabled. And then go to Inputs. This is very important, guys. Click Load, and then here, whether you can choose low risk or mid risk, based on your risk appetite. If you want the EA to trade less hours, or if you want to make a relatively less profit and be in less drawdown, you can go for that. But I'm going to go for mid risk, and then when I open it, some numbers change here. So this is the part that I want to talk about, guys. So I have recorded multiple videos about Goldie Incubator installation, and in each video I actually said different things about the input tab. But recently we had some experience with Goldie Incubator after we changed some elements. For example, what we changed last time was these numbers here. The first thing we changed was maximum open trades open from 16 to 8, which was a bad idea. I'm going to tell you why it happened and why you should not touch anything, and at the end I'm going to explain it. And the next thing we changed was use equity stop. We turned it on, and then we put the percentage at 50. So it means that when the drawdown gets really high and the equity hits 50% of the balance, which is the equity, it's going to close all the trades in loss, and then you actually lose 50% on your account. And this is exactly what happened to us and some of our clients, and you don't want the same thing happen to you. Sometimes some days in a month, usually it happens once a month or every 2 months, that the EA opens a trade after London session and it holds the trades up to 24 hours and try to close them in profit before the next day at 1 p.m. GMT. But when the drawdown gets high, people get freaked out. They get scared and they want to close the positions manually, or they change some stuff here, but at the end of the day they hurt their account because the EA always close them in profit, and you just need to give it more time. I know sometimes it gets scary for some people. We've been there like twice, but what we've experienced was that we should not touch anything. We shouldn't change the equity stop to 60%, 50%, 40%, because when the drawdown happens, you literally lose 40% of your account, and all these patience that you had all this time to reach this number will go waste, and you don't want that. So just trust the process, guys. And then you can always stay updated if you're part of our Telegram channel. But this is what we've learned, and I shared it with my followers on my Telegram channel, guys. I recorded a video and showed them exactly what happened when you change the numbers manually. But the only thing you need to do is just load, mid risk, done. There's only one thing you need to change, and you have to change it. There's only one thing. You scroll down and then you find U offset. So U offset is the time difference between your market watch, which you can see right here, and the GMT time. So I'm going to actually search it in front of you. So you go to Google and then you search GMT time, and then you see that GMT time is 12:50 a.m. I go to broker, it says 3:50. So it means that we are that was 12, right? Yeah, 12:50, 3:50. So we are 3 hours ahead of GMT time. So that's why it should be +3. If we were sorry, if we were 3 hours behind GMT time, it would be -3. So right now it's +3. Everything's okay. We don't have to change anything else except U offset, which is a time difference, and that's it. So we are not behind, so it's not -3. And then you press OK, and then you'll see that it's going to pop it up right here. See, your screen should change to something like this with a black background. You're not going to have this green box on the corner because you need to send us your account number and we'll manually activate your account. Yours is going to show that license locked because we need to do it manually for you. So you need to install it first, and then you need to see this screen. After that, send us your account number so we can see your account number on our server and we can manually activate it for you. So once you're done with the EA, guys, you need to drag and drop order news, which is the indicator, and it needs to be on the screen as well. In this case, you don't need to change anything. Make sure that these two options are on in the comment section, and then press OK. And then you see that you'll be able to see these colorful lines here. So it means that the news filter is successfully installed on your account. So that's it. Goldie Incubator right here, order news, drag and drop both of them, and then you should be able to see this. Okay, guys, one more thing. So it's completely done. Congratulations, you've installed Goldie Incubator successfully, guys. And the next thing you need to do is just to send us your account number via WhatsApp or email, whatever you're more comfortable with. And then please give us 24 hours because we have a time difference with the developer. I live in Canada, they live in East Coast. They are 12 hours ahead of us, so that's why we need 24 hours. When they see my message or one of my team members message, they actually activate it for you. But please give us some time. And if you purchase Goldie Incubator on the weekend, the developer comes back to work on Monday, so please give us more time about that, and then we'll keep you updated when your account is activated. So the next thing I would like to mention, which is very, very important, is that please, guys, don't have any other expert advisors on your account that you have Goldie Incubator installed on. So it has to be only Goldie Incubator and nothing else. And please don't trade manually. Don't try to grow your account faster and try to get involved manually or trade other pairs, or just try to put a stop loss for Goldie Incubator, just adjusting it manually, because it'll mess up with the EA, and then it won't be able to recognize the money management system, so everything will get messed up. So trust the process, guys. I'm telling you based on the experience we had in the past few days. So I don't want the same thing happen to you. I want consistent profits on a daily basis by just having the default setting. But if you want to change the setting, guys, it'll be at your own risk. I've mentioned it on the video. You can do whatever you want. If you want to change some of the elements, feel free to do that. The responsibility is going to be on yours. So if you have any question, guys, reach out to us via WhatsApp or drop your comments below this video. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a profitable journey with us.